Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll see how to start creating our application or MS Access file where we will store our data. As I said in the last video, that the object table is the main structure or objects that will be used for storing our data or the main object of data storage. In this video we see how to create our first table. When I want to create a table, we need exactly the name of this field, for example, student ID, first name, last name, gender, birth dates, and address. I need also the data type of these fields. For student ID, I will use a number of exactly an integer. First name is a text, last name is a text also, gender is a text also that will accept male or female. Birth date, it was a dates, and address, it will be a text. Let's create this table. Before creating this table, we will create our file, MS Access file. To start access, quite simply search for access and start MS Access. In this stage, we will start from zero. So let's create a blank database. Choose blank database or double click it. Then choose the folder where we will store our database or our file. For me, I choose this folder and name it or name this file school app. You can name it as you want and click OK. After you select create for creating our database, first database, or the projects that will be developed step by step in this training course. By default, MS Access propose or suggest a table named table 1. You can drop it or you can remove it, and we will create from scratch a table named student. In the top here, we select create and choose table. By default, MS Access named table 1. We can click right and choose design view. I can give it a name student for this table, and we click enter or OK. As you see here, we have field's name, that's the column or the characteristic of this table, field's name and data type. The first field is student ID and integer. The first field is student ID. For this moment, we will remove this primary key. We will add it after student ID. In the data type, we will specify here number. In the field size, we can put it integer for data type. The second field is first name and last name. First name. Data type of first name is short text. Let's keep it short text. And you can specify the field size or the number of characters that will be allowed to put it in the first name. For example, we can type here 50. For the last name, the same thing for the last name, short text, we can keep it here for 50. The fourth column or the fourth fields is gender, short text, and we can specify one character. We will put it M for male and F for female. Birth date. For the data type, we specify at that time. We can keep it only at dates, like that, short dates. For address, for me, I keep it short text. For the field size, keep it like that. So after creating a table, we can click here to view the table as a data input table or a tabular input format. We can add some data, for example, student number 1, first name is Muhammad, last name, for example, is Jihawi, gender is male, I put it M only, For a date, we can choose it from this calendar, and for address, we can put it Rabat like that. This is a sample manner, or this is a sample way to create a table in MS Access. I hope you understood, and see you next video.